Hello everyone, I am Shruti Pandey. Today we are going to study class 8 geography chapter 1 resources. What are resources? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. The water you drink when you are thirsty, the electricity you use in your house, the rickshaw you use to get home from the school, the textbook you use are all resources. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook have something in common. They have all been used by you, so they have utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Value means worth. Some resources have economic value, some do not have. For example, metals have an economic value. A beautiful landscape may not, but both are important and satisfy human needs. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. For example, your home remedies have no value today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. What is patent? It means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. Time and technology are the two factors that can change substances into resources. Both are related to the needs of the people. People themselves are the most important resource. It is their ideas, knowledge, and invention and discovery that lead to the creation of more resources. The discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking and other processes. The invention of wheel ultimately resulted in development of newer modes of transport. The technology to create hydroelectricity has turned energy in fast flowing water into an important resource. Technology, it is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Types of resources. Resources are generally classified into natural, human-made and human. Resources. Natural resource, human-made resource, human resources. Natural resources are broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. Natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. The air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soils, minerals are all natural resources. Many of these resources are free gifts of nature and can be used directly. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way. Natural resource can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resource. Renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities such as solar and wind energy. Yet, careless use of certain enable resources like water, soil, and forest can affect their stock. Water seems to be an unlimited renewable resource, but storage and drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of the world today. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once the stocks are existed, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Since this period is much more than human lifespans, such resources are considered non-renewable. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are some examples. The distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate, and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Human-made resources. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Technology is also a human-made resource. So people like us use natural resources to make human-made resources. Stock of resources means it is amount of resources available for use. Human resources. Resources refers to the number, quantity, and ability, mental and physical, of the people. Though there are differing views regarding treatment of humans as a resource, one cannot deny the fact that it is the skills of humans that help in transferring the physical material into a valuable resource. People have knowledge, skill, and technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. People are human resources. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Conserving resources. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Sustainable development means carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present also takes care of the future generation. Some principles of sustainable development: respect and care for all forms of life, improve the quality of human life, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, minimize the depletion of natural resources, change personal attitude and practice towards the environment, enable communities to take care for their own environment. The future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is considered. The damage of natural environmental system is minimized. Thank you for watching.